Hello friends, welcome back again to the channel, and this is a continuation video to the first one we made earlier concerning the Solana chart, and we're trying to find more that confirmation. And this time around I want to use the wave analysis to complement our decision on the RSI divergence. So the wave count by Elliott waves. So it stipulates that market moves in waves, 5 waves actually, 3 impulse waves and 2 corrective. Just as example, for market to move from point A to B, so let's say one is point A, let's just say that is for market to move from this very point. Let us take an example. For market to move from here to there, this was the height of market. That this market is going to move this journey in 5 instances of waves. So, and these instances of wave, 3 are going to be correctives, 3 are going to be impulse waves, while 2 of it is going to be corrective waves. So if we take examples now, the impulse wave are going to be going in the direction of the market trend, the way market wants to go. And if market wants to go up, the impulse wave is going to be advancing up as fast as possible, while the corrective waves will be moving counter trend, as though to move back against the direction. Let's take example now by the chart here to see how Solana moved from $10 to $300. So if we take example to count the wave, we see example. Let's count it again. We see 1. This one nice, the move up, the very first move up from 10 to around about $27, and this is the first impulse wave going in the direction of the trend. And second wave was going down, and this one is called wave 2. See, the first wave was wave 1. So the second wave was going down, I'll call it wave 2. Are you following? So the third wave now is going to be going up, which is wave 3. So that is the third impulse wave, the one that took it up to $200. Are you following? So after this, we now have the fourth wave, and this fourth wave is going to be a corrective wave, and that's why you see it move down again to here. So, and that after that one, we now have the final wave. Final wave now become the fifth wave that took it to 300. So by this movement, we see that the wave is complete in the journey up, and this is seen in the weekly charts, in the 2 weekly charts, and in the 4-day charts. This is visible there. So the wave is complete, and it's completing with a divergence on the RSI. You see the RSI. We talked about this in the previous video. So see how the thing. So the summary of this wave count progressing to 300 terminated with a divergence. So we are now know that the wave is done. So what we are now waiting for is a correction of this move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the impulse wave going up. So okay, after that, what we are going to wait for now is the correction, and the correction of this wave that went up is another wave, another leg down. That is, let's give example. So that if a wave go up like this, it will eventually correct itself by another wave that goes down like this. Understand? So okay, let us give example. This one now that goes down as a correction is not going to be 5 wave as this one now is going to be only 3 move. A correction of ABC. That is what we have here. Correction of ABC, A, B, A, B, I see A, B, and C. So let us see if we can throw more light on it. If we take an example, so a corrective wave that is going to correct this move from 10 to 300 is going to come in form of ABC. And the ABC is something like this. We have A now that is already done. So then we're going to have B, another wave that is going to correct A in such a way that it's going to be like this. And then the final move, the C. So this C and A normally all is equal. As the size of A is equal to C, that A is equal to C in that order. So, but all these things are relative, and this is why we are still saying that Solana as a coin itself can only do 200. It can't do a higher high in this order, and this is journey up. No matter what it do, around about 275 may be the highest it will go. Highest, if possible, was from 210, 20. The exhaustion sign is going to be shown on it already by my own calculation. So that is that. So this is the wave analysis of this chart. That is the Solana chart. So we have 5 waves going up, 5 waves going up, and 3 waves going down. So we're about to complete. We are still in the second phase, second part of the correction waves, and it's going to take some time to finalize, and that's what I think. But that's notwithstanding, I hope you learned something in this. So thank you. So next up, we're going to discuss the most bullish chart of this run now that is going up. In fact, the coin that you needed to buy if you were to hold the coin in this bull run. Not every coin will do well in this bull run. Not every coin. This is current one that is advancing. Many of them that is already on their downtrend will not make a higher high. But there's one that is set to double itself. So that is the next video. Thank you. Okay.